Hey guys, let me show you how quickly I do my setup and what do I have for the lip procedure usually. This is a waterproof cover, so that's number one. Then I have the machine, the cord cover here. I have the pencil. I have the cotton that I will need during the procedure. I have already prepared the cups with one big one for the pigment, one for the pre-drawn, one for the numbing. I also have the hairnet here, the tip in order to mix the pigment, one of the micro brushes, one of the lip brushes, one of the lip brush, and 3 Q-tips. So usually this is my setup, and I try to use as little products as possible in order to be environment friendly, because we do trash a lot, so I try to do that. So try to use as little brushes as you need. Try to not use 10 of them because you actually don't need. Oh, another thing real quickly, let me show you. So another thing that I do is those little trash bags that I attach to the cart with a scotch, with tape, and that's where all my trash goes. And then at the end of the procedure, it goes to trash. So here you go. This is how my setup looks.